Hey everybody, it's Scott from Garage Door Supplies. I want to talk to you a little bit about frosted glass, tinted glass, and so on. The importance of installing it the correct way. Sometimes we see customers install this backwards, and then they get confused when they look at the door from the exterior, and it does not look right. So let's talk about this. Okay, let's take a look at a piece of insulated frosted glass up close. You can see that first pane is very clear. You can see to the gasket, the white perimeter there on the inside. And as we flip it over here, you're going to see that now it looks a lot more blurry. That's because the frosted glass is on the outside. Now we're going to transition to the interior of a garage door where one replacement window has been done already on the right side there. Very hard to see from the inside anyways. Once we transition here to the exterior, you will see a big difference in appearance. Now you can see that one on the left that's been replaced looks totally different than the one on the right. That's because the clear paint is on the exterior. And then when we go over here to the right side, you'll see this is the existing pane of glass that was here already. That one has the frosted on the exterior. Now I hope this explains the differences for you. And hopefully you don't have any issues when you replace your glass.